I'm going into this palette and I'm using this orange shade right here on my outer corner. Just gonna prime my eyelid with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm gonna take this shade and I'm just gonna dab it on a little bit, and then once I have enough on there, I'm gonna work in like small circular swiping motions. And I'm gonna bring this color up as I'm blending and drag it out a little bit. I'm also gonna bring it towards the inner part of my crease. Now taking this brush right here, I'm gonna go this brown shade right here. So I'm just focusing this color on the outer corner, and I'm gonna do it lightly and just build the color up because I don't want it to be too brown. I just want to deepen up this orange. Take this brown right here. And I'm just gonna drag a little bit onto my crease. I am gonna cut my crease a little bit, but it's just to basically define it and not really create like a cut crease. Just going back in with some more of that orange to blend out the concealer a little bit. So I'm just taking that orange shade and cleaning up around my cut. I don't want it too defined, so I'm just trying to diffuse it a little bit. I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna put it closer to my outer corner of my eye. Just gonna touch up on the white shadow. So now I'm just gonna do some mascara, and then I'm gonna add some lashes. Now I'm going to go into my concealer, and for concealer I'm gonna be using the Revolution concealer in Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C12. Now I'm going in with another Revolution concealer to contour, and this is in the shade C16. So now I'm taking my Airspun setting powder and I'm going to set my face. Use my Lorette pressed powder, and this is in the shade Perfection, and I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face before actually going in with a darker shade to deepen up my contour. And I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the shade Neutral. And to deepen up my contour, I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear pressed powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deepest. And since ginger is feeling, you know, just like ginger, we're gonna cut the contour. So while I set that for a little bit, I'm gonna take this pencil brush right here and I'm gonna apply that darkest brown that I use very close to my waterline, right here. Now I'm going to take that orange shade that I've used and put it underneath that brown. So I'm going to spray my face and set it really quick. Now I'm going to touch up on that white eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with NYX Lingerie in the shade Corset. I'm gonna spray my face again before adding my highlight. And the setting spray that I'm using is by Catrice and it's the Prime and Fine. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this is from Revolution highlighting palette.